Hey guys, my name is Sumer Singh Harsh. I'm from Strawberry Fields High School, which is in Sector 26, Chandigarh. And I was part of your Growth Valley community workshop, and it was quite enlightening. I liked the discussions about AI and leadership and business and startups and all that. And of course, the main thing was writing a chatbot, and that this is really impressive to me. This website, Writesonic, it introduces you to the fundamentals of training a chatbot, and it's just so simple. It's so much simpler than I thought it would be. It's just so easy to get into. And for me personally, when I made my chatbot, I made a chatbot about science. So it's basically like information about a bunch of most branches of science clubbed together. It's like basic information about science, basic and advanced, as well as recent news in all fields of science. So the most fun part about this for me was the research, like compiling all the links and documents to get the information, and then just watching it all come together and training the bot while doing so. And yeah, I'll just demonstrate it for you now. Okay, so as you can see, I've added like a lot of articles and websites as information for the chatbot to be trained on. It's like 10 pages worth of websites. But yeah, let's test it out. They're about all fields of science like physics, chemistry, biology, astrophysics, computer science, and all that. So let's just ask it a few questions. I'll ask it a computer science question now. What is a memory address, for example? It just takes a moment to look at everything, all the information it has, and then it just summarizes it all. So yeah, it provides a detailed but not too long of an answer, just the right length. And let's ask it another question, this time related to programming. I'll just ask it to explain the for loop in C++. Okay, so yeah, it just neatly summarized everything there is to know about the for loop. So yeah, if you didn't understand it before, if you're trying to learn it, you will now. It just like makes it easy to understand, and yeah, just all the details that need to be there. Now let's ask it something related to chemistry, like what is a covalent bond? And yeah, like before, it summarizes everything. And something related to astronomy now. What is a supernova? It neatly just packs in like all the little details that you'd want to hear, as well as the general information. And yeah, you know that everything there is to know, like the basic concept in what's about a half-minute read. And we can ask it some specific questions as well, like what is the mass of a hydrogen atom in grams? Generally, it's expressed in atomic mass units, but we can also ask it in grams and it will convert it. So yeah, it's approximately 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. But yeah, basically, it's called Sciencify. This bot, you can explore basically everything there is in all sciences. So you can search for whatever's going on currently in science, some new research, as well as some basic stuff, some specific details that you want to know. But yeah, I hope you liked it.